Today, let's look at this question from SMO 2022 open section. Suppose t is equal to square root of 1 plus 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 t, and given that this is positive. Then we are asked to find the value of t to the power 4 minus t to the power 3 minus t plus 10. Please have a good try before you look at the answer.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Note that for any positive value of t is either greater than square root of 1 plus t, or t is less than square root of 1 plus t, or t is equal to square root of 1 plus t. It's either one of them, and it must be exactly one of them. We suppose this is the case, t is greater than square root of 1 plus t. What will happen? Suppose t is greater than square root of 1 plus t. Then we will have 1 plus t greater than 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. And since both are positive, then we can take the square root. And we will have square root of 1 plus t greater than square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. And this itself is less than t. And we can proceed and get that this is greater than square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus t. And this will be greater than square root of 1 plus 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 t. We have a contradiction from the condition here, because what we need is t must be exactly equal to this expression. And therefore, the assumption t greater than square root of 1 plus t is not true. This will be a contradiction. Likewise, the contradiction will arise again if t is less than square root of 1 plus t. And therefore, we left with one case, that is, t has to be exactly square root of 1 plus t. If that's the case, t squared will equal to 1 plus t. T squared minus t is equal to 1. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. With this, the value of t squared minus t3 minus t plus 10 can be written as t squared minus t plus 10. Note that t squared minus t is equal to 1. So this will be t squared minus t plus 10. And again, t squared minus t is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus 10. And therefore, the answer is equal to 11. Please leave a comment if you get the answer using different approaches. That's all for today's discussion. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.